Do you ever just wake up and think, I want to make my own Arduino-based computer from scratch? Oh, just me? Okay, so the idea I had was to have some sort of microcontroller acting as a sort of CPU. It is going to read some code off of the SD card and interpret all the instructions and then display it on a sort of LCD. It'll get the input from a keyboard. The keyboard will probably be connected using serial, and then there'll be sort of output ports, sort of like USB ports, and it'll be able to get things such as Wi-Fi or just extra storage. Basically anything you want, you can plug it in and I can program things for it. So that's the basic idea. So let's get building. So after a bit of designing, I end up with these boards. I accidentally selected the smallest size resistors, so we'll see if I'll be able to solder them on. Okay, so it wasn't even that hard. You can barely tell the difference between the unsoldered and the soldered one, but it's there. For the chip, I just selected the standard Arduino Uno chip, just because it's a bit easier to solder on than the surface mount one. I think I did pretty good with the soldering. Now we just have to solder the crystal on. Okay, so now we're done assembling it. Here's the final board, and we'll see if I can program it. Hopefully it works. So I've did a bit of off-camera soldering. It's kind of cursed, but it works. So basically, sorry for the bad camera angle, but basically when I plug the power in, the screen will turn on, and I just put a little program that makes it count on the screen, because I'm just focusing on the hardware for now. So let me show you how it works really quick. So because this is the Arduino Uno chip, it doesn't have a ton of digital pins, so what I've done is I've got this LCD, which also has a built-in SD card. That actually minimized a lot of the wiring, and to program it, what I've gotten is this USB serial, like Adafruit USB-C thing. It works pretty good. Since there's no reset button, I have this wire that I have to touch to ground before programming it. It's kind of weird, but it works. So that's pretty much it. Right now it's just focusing on seeing if it even worked, but in the next video I'll show you how I actually program it, and I'm going to do a little bit of 3D printing, and I'll work on coding the OS for it. See you in the next video.